Jose is an experienced technician working in LATAM's heavy equipment service department. John, like Jose, is an operator and does similar work in the United States, but they are employed by two different companies. Jose uses Q+ products designed exclusively for CAD workshops, which are linked to its world-class ERP system. He knows all the parts that are due in the factory, and he also knows the location and status of those that have been received and QR tagged. John solely relies on his ERP. Thanks to Q+ scheduling, Jose can easily see the assigned duties for the day. He gets online support, he can attach technical specifications, security documents, pictures, checks, etc. John has to walk along the workshop and decide what is due, analyze how and when to perform the task. Jose, his supervisor, the procurement and quality staff, the forklift operators, everyone has a clear view of how each repair is moving forward. In this way, the company does not experience delays due to errors or shortcomings, and their customers see the quality of the operation, thanks to the support of Q+. On the other side, everything is managed differently, at another speed and efficiency, as if the aim was precisely on another place. Q+ linked to your ERP with the focus on your workshop.